friends! Do you remember that the other day we learned how to say the times in English? It was fun, right? Remember that when the longest arrow is pointing up and the shortest moves, we always say o'clock, like this. Let's better see an example. Top, tap, tip. What time is it? Oh, what time is it? Is it 2 o'clock or is it 3 o'clock? It's 3 o'clock, remember, okay? But what if the longest arrow starts moving? Top, tap, tip, what time is it? Ah! Remember? We have to count the tiny stripes. And how many can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 minutes past 3. 6 minutes past 3. But sometimes it gets a little bit harder because other options come out. Like this one. Let's do it. Top, tap, tip. What time is it? Hey, this is a bit more difficult. We have 2 more options. Count the lines and 15. We have 15. So 15 minutes past 3 or a quarter past 3. Okay? Brilliant. This time, Spooky, the ghost, will help us. Top, tap, tip. What time is it? What time is it? Thank you, Spooky. Spooky the ghost moved the longest arrow and now is just right in the middle. Here we have 2 more options. We can count the stripes from the top and we have how many? 30. We have 30. So we can say 30 minutes past 3 or we can say half past 3. Okay? Remember, 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. Well done. But, oh no! It's getting darker. And Spooky the ghost, what are you doing? Spooky just moved the arrow 1 more minute. But now everything seems different. What is happening? The arrows look different and darker, and the half of the clock is as well darker. And look at the times. We don't have just the number 3, we also have the number 4. I understand. From now onwards, the countdown begins, and we have fewer minutes to 4. From here, it's 3 o'clock, but then it will be 4. So top, tap, tip, what time is it? Spooky moved the arrow some more minutes. So again, we can count in 2 different ways. If we count from the beginning, from number 3, how many stripes do we have? 40. So we can say it's 40 minutes past 3. 40 minutes past 3. Or we can also count from the number 4 and we have how many? 20. 20 minutes to 4. We cannot say 20 minutes to 3. 20 minutes to 4. Yes, the ones left. Okay, great. This is a bit difficult, right? Let's do one more. Top, tap, tip. What time is it? Come on, Spooky. Oh, and what happens if we stay here? We again have 2 options. If we count from the number 3, like that, how many stripes do we have? 45. So we can say 45 minutes past 3, okay? We can say that, but we can also say it counting from this number, the number 4, 15 minutes to 4. So we say 15 minutes to 4 or a quarter to 4. Wow! Let's keep learning.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos! Today we are learning about the hours, okay? And we need to answer this question, what time is it? We have these beautiful analogic clocks and we need to pay attention to the timing. Remember that the shortest one points the hour and the largest points the minutes, okay? So let's go and answer. What time is it? Here, our shortest. 11 and the minutes 15 minutes past, a quarter, right? So we can say a quarter past 11 or 15 minutes past 11. Let's go for the quarter and write a quarter past 11. Okay, well done. Now let's go for this second one. The short is the hour and, these are the minutes, and this is the hour. So let's go. If we are in between 12 and 1, it will be like 12, right? Or almost 1. A quarter to 1 or 45 minutes past 12. Yes? So we can say these two options. A quarter to 1 or 45 minutes past 12. Okay, let's go for the third one. Again, these are the minutes and this is the hour. So shortest, we are in between 7 and 8. So that means it's 7:30, right? Or 30 minutes to 8. We say 7:30, okay? Because the minutes is pointing the number 6 and that means it's half time. All right, let's go for the number 4. Longest points the minutes, shortest points the hour. 3 o'clock. That's it. This is very, very easy. 3 o'clock. Okay, well done. Now we go for the number 5. Again, minutes here, an hour with the shortest. It's pointing directly the number 5, so it's 5 and 15 minutes past 5, right? We see it? So a quarter past 5. Well done. And finally, the last one. Shortest is hour, largest are minutes. So it's pointing, the hour is in the middle between 9 and 10. That means we are 15 minutes to 10 or 45 minutes past 9. So let's say a quarter to 10. That will be the easiest and fastest. A quarter to 10, okay? Well done, guys. Remember that in a clock, all this is past. And all that is 2, okay? So we count the minutes to the next hour or we count the minutes past the hour we are in. Yes? Good job, guys. Let's keep learning.